This piece from UniWigs means so much to me because I have always wanted to try one of their human hair toppers. I went through a massive shed a couple of years ago and it resulted in having to get my hair cut because I had so many spots that were completely missing, down to about 1 inch in some spots. So it has taken me about 2.5 years to grow my hair back, and now I can finally wear a topper from UniWigs. This gorgeous piece, it's going to match my hair perfectly. I'm so excited. It also has highlights in it, which are going to be a great perk for me. So inside the cap, you're going to see that it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and those are just to secure around the top of your head. And then right here, you're going to see that it has this halo band. You can keep it on here or you can take it off. Never worn one of these toppers. Let's see how easy it is to get on. Okay, I have her on. I will say the hardest part for me was snapping the clips on the side. My hair is really fine on the sides. Like, I know that it looks like there may be more hair there than what there actually is, but there wasn't a lot to clip to, so it was a little bit difficult to get it there, but I think with practice, I'm definitely gonna get better at it. So right off the bat, I definitely feel like the length is perfect. That's why I wanted to go get my hair cut before I did the review on it, because I wanted it to just look perfect. I wanted to have that wow moment that I'm having right now with this piece, and I wanted to show you guys. I think there's a lot of controversy when it comes to like what length to get in a topper when you're going into a topper, and while I don't have a ton of experience in toppers yet, I feel like personally, I will always go for one that's just a smidgen longer than my biological hair. I have heard people say that you want to go a little bit shorter. I tried that before on a synthetic topper and I just did not love it. I absolutely love the length on this. Let me show it to you from behind. Gorgeous. I'm going to need to cut the lace on this topper, so I'm about to get to that, and I wanted to take you along the way. For this part of the process, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need clips to hold the hair back, you're going to need your pinking shears, and you're going to need a spray bottle. Next up, you're going to spray the hair so that it stays back away from the lace while you're cutting it. Next up, you'll clip the hair back and see how much lace you have to cut. And for me, I'm probably going to get it very close to the hairline. If it's your first time cutting the lace on your wig, just remember, you want to take your time, you want to go slow, and you want to make short cuts. But if it's not your first time, let's just get on with it. Her cut back. Now let's put her back on. There we go, guys. I hope that this video gave you some confidence in cutting your lace on your UniWigs topper. You can find out more information on this piece on the UniWigs website. They have tons of colors, tons of pieces, lengths and colors for everyone, and I think that all of you will be just as happy as I am.